My man right here, bro. What are you doing, Skin? I fucking love you, dog. My man right here, dog, you a real trooper, bro. I can pick you up a crowd of anybody, bro. You at all these shows, bro. And at the end of this show, you gonna say, "Hail Billy, Hail Billy." I know you are. You know, and all y'all young folks in here, I want to tell y'all something, man. We live in a world where there's a lot of people in your that's going to pass through your life that's not your parents, that's not somebody that cares about you, that's going to tell you everything you can't do. And I just want to go ahead and tell you they're lying, dude. They're lying to you. If you mind your own business and you worry about what you care about and you follow your gut instinct, you're going to have a good life, bro. Don't listen to nobody. They told me I wouldn't be sitting here rapping in front of a bunch of damn blue-collar rednecks a long time ago, and, well, that was obviously a lie. They say rednecks only are down south. That is obviously a lie. And they're also trying to tell us what this country, what we want, and we know what we want, so that is also a lie. Alright? Now, no more bullshit about politics. We know who the fuck's winning. Us. That's who's winning. So, we're gonna get on with this show. I just want to stop and tell y'all youngins that, man, because I feel like not enough people, not enough public figures or whatever tell y'all stuff that's good for you, man. I always just want to sell you some shit, so I want to tell you that. This next song, man, this next song is about trucking through anything in life. And it's a song that I wrote comparing a person to a truck. A lot of motherfuckers want a pretty truck and they cry about when they get a scratch on it. And then us, this crowd right here, we keep trucking with dents and broken out windows and shit because that's what the fuck we do. That's how they call us a truck. Here we go. Was a door, guess I'm out that key. Good at walking loud, you know it ain't me. And I end up in a ditch with some dancing things. And these 33s, I'm on 113. Too damn nostalgic, not the right to sing. Through cat bouncer, bron roll, one girl. Another bottle of wine and 2 Dixie cups. And gotta have the wheels and feel like some man's missing. But my guitar can fix it. I'd be better off if I was a truck. Cause by now I've done broke down. It's someone to fix me up. And I'm running with a rock flung through my heart. Tires bought and still I ain't good. What we got here? Oh, hell yeah. Appreciate the General Lee shirts, man. Appreciate that.